Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe born out of my quest to eat more sardines, one of the most nutritious fish you can find. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for brain health, as well as packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall wellness. They're a lot like tuna in texture and flavor, so I decided to make a spin on the classic tuna salad toast by swapping in sardines and adding beans for extra fiber. This is my sardine and white bean toast on sourdough bread recipe. Let me show you how to make it. You can find the exact ingredient quantities and directions for this recipe in the description below. I am using sardines canned in water. They should have the bones removed already. For the toast, I'm using homemade sourdough bread. I'll put a link to my recipe for same-day sourdough bread in the description, but you can use whatever crusty bread you like. Now let's put it all together step by step. First, slice the bread and toast it in a toaster. Butter the toast once it's done and set it aside. Next, smash the sardines in a bowl with a fork. Then add the white beans and also smash them in a bowl. Add the mayonnaise and hemp seeds, then mix everything together and set it aside. Next, prep the rest of the ingredients. Thinly slice the radish, dice the celery, remove the thyme leaves off the stem, and chop it together with the parsley until finely chopped. Lastly, dice the onions. This was a lot of onions because I absolutely love them. If you don't like raw onions, then you can omit this ingredient altogether. Add all of the ingredients into the bowl with the mashed sardines and mix until well combined. Now it's time to assemble the sardine toast. Put a few slices of radish on each slice of toasted and buttered bread, then top with a thin layer of the mashed sardines, followed by some greens. I harvested these baby greens from my garden, but you can use something else like spinach or microgreen mix. And that's it, a quick and tasty lunch packed with protein, fiber, and brain-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. If you give this sardine toast recipe a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fresh and healthy recipes. Enjoy!